So this is question number 14.5, and particular this question, it is asked that when a forward bias is applied to a PN junction, it raises the potential barrier, it reduces the majority carrier current to zero, lowers the potential barrier, none of the above, right? So here the thing is, if the forward bias is applied in PN junction, so what happens is, it first of all, it reduces the depletion width, and with that it also reduces the barrier potential, right? And that allows the majority carriers to cross the junction easily, allows majority carrier to cross the junction easily, right? So that's why this is the, it reduces the potential barrier. So the option that says that rises the potential barrier will be incorrect. Reduces the majority carrier current to zero, that is going to be incorrect. Lowers the potential barrier, that is right, and that is wrong, right? So this is the thing. Okay.